Hi, I'm Devin Shute and welcome to the TRG Money Minute coming to you from lockdown. So last week was certainly a lot of news for investors to digest, most especially the long-awaited ratings announcement from Moody's. They came out late on Friday night and downgraded the South African government bonds to sub-investment grade. This brings them in line with the other two ratings agencies which have had us at junk status since 2017. In essence, what this means is that the government will now pay higher interest rates on its substantial debt pile. This didn't really come as a surprise to the market, and this could be seen by the very muted reactions actually this morning in both the currency and the bond markets. So while the downgrade isn't good news, it was expected and largely discounted, and compared to the current issues our economy is facing, it has become virtually irrelevant. We don't believe that the income portion of our funds has been incorrectly positioned. In other words, our income funds have been correctly positioned for this. So while things are tough, the South African consumer is getting some help in these times. The Reserve Bank recently slashed interest rates by a full percentage point. That's 4 times more than what it would usually do. And coupled that with the biggest fuel price increase that we can expect out on Wednesday, will leave more cash in your pocket. So with this in mind, it is clear that the time for difficult decisions for our political leaders has arrived. As tax revenues will decline, sadly to rising unemployment, government finances will take further strain. This leaves very little option but to start cutting expenses. Now, the strong leadership on the coronavirus provided by our president gives him a perfect platform for pivoting into the sweeping reforms that our economy desperately needs. However, the focusing effects that the coronavirus have had, we are seeing the necessary ingredients for the eventual turnaround to emerge. We've seen politicians put aside their differences and working together, and we've seen labor and business come to the party with pragmatic solutions. So only when a relationship of trust exists between government, business, and labor will we be able to harness our collective resources to recover from this economic crisis. Stay safe and healthy out there. Thanks for watching.